Hello everybody again. So today we begin our mini moon. We're on a journey to the Peak District. Lake District. We've got a hotel near Keswick, and we've stopped off at Pendle Hill on the way to see the witches. We're still not well, still a little poorly, not quite as bad, we are getting better. So we're just doing a 10, I think it's about 11-kilometre route today. Bit of a run, bit of a walk, see how we feel. It's a bit chilly as well again.
Very windy.
Very windy. Not such a nice day today as last week up Mofama, or Mofenley even. At least it's not raining. Sitting on it.
A bit wet. I was not a witch. Witch.
The witch?
I was not a witch.
Not a witch. Not a witch.
Witch.
Look at all the coins.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. And these are 2 trees. Oh, it's 4 trees actually.
Oh yeah.
Wonder what the years represent. Watch the wolf! So after our little detour to see the sculptures, which wasn't planned, just saw a sign for it, Erin did, we're now heading up Pendle Hill, as was originally planned. Warmed up a bit now. How about you?
No.
No. Breezy. The breeze is chilly. The breeze is definitely chilly. But I'm warming up. I'm warming up. Nice and quiet on a Thursday afternoon during the week. Everyone else still in work. Yeah. very slippy. Oh. Just saying, we have not been this route before, up or down this bit. Probably should have chosen an easier route while we're not well. I think we started over that way somewhere.
I'm past the reservoirs.
And that forest there is where the sculptures were. And then we ran between these two lakes here, these two reservoirs, this way. And then we've come across all that countryside there. And along this wall to here, Pendle Hill. And we just need to get up there. Easy.
No.
Nearly at the top now. Taking us forever. Oh, absolutely shattered. Can't wait till we're both better. Got some energy back. Can breathe properly again, yeah. Yeah, I reckon so. Yeah. Nearly made it to the trig at top of Pendle Hill. Nice and windy.